Hi friends, I want to show you something interesting today. Since last few days at 8 p.m. I keep hearing howlings, and initially I thought that it is dog or coyote or wolf who is making that noise. But then I learned very interesting thing yesterday. It is not dogs or wolf, it is actually people of Denver, city of Denver, who is howling. And it was very interesting story. Basically they started doing this after they realized that in today's world, because of corona, we cannot express our feelings, and by howling, that is their way to express their feeling. And there's no specific reason why people howl. Some people howl to express their sorrow, some people howl to express their joy, some people do it to thank medical worker or honor medical worker or frontline worker. So I do it to honor medical worker. So let's howl together, Denver. Let's howl together, Denver.
Let's all together, Denver.
So let's howl together, Denver. I encourage people of Denver or around the world to follow this because it makes you feel energized, it makes you feel connected, and it gives you a way to express your feelings. So that's it. Let's follow it at every day 8 p.m. Denver.